breech is when the baby is sitting bottom first instead of head first. The baby can still be born normally. To help the birth run smoothly, do the following. Stay calm. Hands off. Do not pull, tug, or touch the baby. Try to keep the mother in an upright position. Leaning forward on hands and knees works best. Allow the body of the baby to hang until delivery is complete. Baby's back must be toward mother's belly. If not, when the legs are out, hold baby by the hip bones, gently lift upward, and then rotate. Do not pull on the baby. Have mother avoid actively pushing until baby is fully born to the umbilicus. Encourage focused breathing. Keep the room warm. Prepare dry towels to greet the baby. Be sure to allow time for the head to flex as the body hangs and helps with this process. Be ready to give inflation breaths to help the baby after birth.